Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope so that you are so doing great. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you one more tips and one motivation, you can say that. And this is gonna be very useful in your life or in daily routine, wherever you are so busy, but you have to, put out some time for it. So let's get started. Today, I want to talk about the major problem of this world, and I'm sure that you must be doing this also. And this is going so worst, and in this life and in this time, everybody has to be, face the this problem, and this is gonna be so terrible if you don't stop yourself right now. I am talking about, guys, the major problem of this world, that is overthinking. Yes, guys, overthinking is the one of major problem of this world, and this world face this problem through the entire life of his journey, of life journey. And you have to, prevent yourself to overthinking, because it is draining your energy, it is draining your positivity, it is draining your, what can you do, and whatever you are doing. So that is no matter, but you are thinking overall, and you are thinking so much. That's not need to be. I wanna say all this, guys, that if you are thinking overthinking, not thinking. Thinking is a good, and thinking in a positive way, it's good. But thinking in a negative way, when you are doing so much, activities, and you are doing so works, and simultaneously so much works, so you are stuck in that works, and you gonna and you lost your mind, and your you know and you start overthinking. Okay, and so this is not good for your health and your mind as well, because if you couldn't do in a positive way, thinking in a positive way, then you will start the your mind gonna be very destroyed, and your mind's neurons also will be lake in your mind. So you have to, you gotta do is, you have to all do this, that you have to only focus on what you want to do, only one purpose, and you have only one purpose. And then decide your goal and purpose, then you have to work on this only. And when you decide what's your work and what's your purpose to life, and then give your full energy, whole energy to that particular work, then you will get the something new which you want to do from that particular things. So all I want to say that if you thinking in a positive way, that is not harmful, that is not bad for you, it is good for you, because it's nice to your mind that you are thinking so much in a positive way. And otherwise, other in a opposite side, you are thinking so much in a negative way, because you are doing lots of work as together, so that is not good. So and your mind will get some headache, some very heaviness on your head, and that is the issue of these kinds and these generations. So you have to decide one goal and one purpose to your life, and then hold energy, give it them, because that is the possibility you have to achieve some in your future, something that you want, and you worth it, and you deserve for this. So okay, recall your childhood memories. In that memories, you were very happy person, you were very very free out of your tensions, because you have to you were not thinking so much at that time, and you were only happy. Okay, and that time you were enjoy yourself. So do the same, and do the same at this stage. Okay, you have to only decide one goal and one purpose, and then you will enjoy your journey of your life. That is true. Okay, I know that something, it is going so wrong because you are not settled yet. You are not, you know, uh, earning enough for your life or for your journey for your life, and that is okay. Okay, but you don't have to. You don't need to stress. No, you don't need to take any stress and any overthinking, which is cause of your mind's destroyer. Okay, uh, otherwise you will lost your mind neurons, and IQ level will your gradually will be decrease. And this is very you know typical and very problematic things for you, because if you don't have an IQ for the great level, then you will never get some successful life, and never you will get something like you want. Okay, so you have to increase your IQ level also, and that's how come it's by the overthinking. Not overthinking in positive way, not negative way. If you are thinking negative way, it will decrease your neurons, and it will decrease your percentage of IQ level. So you don't want to this now, and that's why I do, because I don't want to decrease your IQ level. That's why I bring this video specially for you, and this is very important. Please watch whole video, and if you have any one person who are so overthinking person, then share it also. It will help also them. Okay, so in order to maintain your stability of your mind, in order to maintain your stability of your life, then it is very important that you have to live now, live in present, not thinking over about the past, not overthinking about the future. Okay, thinking is very much good, because without thinking we never do anything. Okay, so you have to think, but in a positive way. So without thinking, it's never it's nothing possible to do anything, no. And without thinking, I think that not possible to anyone. And without thinking, we can't imagine the world. Okay, so that's why it has called also the an idle mind. It's a is the devil workshop. Okay, so you don't have to empty your mind, you have to only focus only thinking in a positive way. Don't overthinking about your future. Oh, okay, think in a positive way. It's good only. Okay, but if you are thinking in a that way that first we have to first you have to become a successful people, and then will be gradually something perfect. So it's not possible. You have to live in a present way now, in a present day. So don't overthink about future, and don't think, and don't wait that moment when will you become a successful man and woman. you know so you have to only live this day and work on your dreams. That is, it is very important that you are doing some efforts, some work, or hard work. So it will give you some energy and very powerful, become your powerful mind, and it will give you energy to do that hard work for the successful life. So only this is the way you have to keep yourself in a positive way and in a healthy mind. See, healthy body and healthy mind, it's both of requirement of our lives. Because if one of them it's not going well now, then never will you get something good or something new or something successful. So you have to give your mind and body both of the time and in a positive way. So all I had to say that, and I think that I have give you some nice thoughts and something new, and will give you some new, and will help you, I hope so. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, I'll see you soon in my next video, something new for you. And then till then, bye bye.